4K Ultra HD thumbnail in a very quick and easy method. In this video, I will let you know about how to create awesome thumbnail using PixelLab. The thumbnail which I am going to tell you have the quality of 4K and Ultra HD, which is going to be very amazing for your YouTube channel and give a very good impression to your videos and as well as on your channel. So here I open PixelLab. You can see here I will show you my projects. Here is my project. After create thumbnail, I save as project, or I can and you can download as save as image. So here you can see the example. I can use a template from here, colors, but now I am going click on three dots, and now I'm going to use image from gallery. Okay, not no, and from canvas I'm going to use this. Okay, okay, delete this, okay. From here now I am going to change the dimensions. Charlie's, and you can see here 3840 width and 2160. 21, you can 2160. Now you can see here the aspect ratio is same, but the pixel quality increased. Okay, you can note down this in your notebook. And now the resolution is totally changed and quality changed, and this is the Ultra HD 4K thumbnail which is ready for your YouTube channel. Now what I'm going to do is just click on this plus button and okay, double click. Now LinkedIn. Okay, from here I am going to okay, and from font I'm going to use and from here you can bold, italic, underline, and okay, from here you can enable background, which I'm not going to. Okay, again click on size. Okay, okay, and now I am going to, from here you can shadow. Okay, okay, also we can add from here stroke, a light stroke. It's look good. Now again click on this plus button, again double click and networking. Okay, now just again come on size. Again font. Okay, Alpha Slab 1 regular is font type, and again click on size. Okay, again I'm going to add shadow. Okay, stroke. You can see here from here to add a little bit charm. So HD Ultra 4K thumbnail is ready for my YouTube video. You can also make awesome thumbnail by using this method free of cost by installing PixelLab from uh, from Google Play Store on your mobile, laptop, PC, and after that you can easily make awesome thumbnail using this application on your mobile. And if you will find this video helpful, please like and share with others. If there is any suggestion, give in comment box. Thanks for watching me. And for YouTube complete course, visit the link given in the description. Thanks.